Over many months, it was an impending ruling that had rattled a nation.
Women deserve better! Roe v. Wade has got to go!
It stirred division, anger, emotion.
Murder is not a right! You don't have a right to murder other people!
And there is now a group of people for whom this judgment will have the most profound, most painful impact.
For them to be making these decisions right now, it's just simply unbelievable to me.
Trish Mitchell is a survivor of rape.
When I discovered I was pregnant, I was overcome with fear. I didn't know if I could provide the love, the nurturing, care, and support to a child that was a result of rape. I wasn't sure I was capable of that at that age. I was only 22 when this took place, and I didn't come at that decision lightly. It was a very difficult decision to make, but in the end, it was the best that was for me and my family.
Abortion was her choice, one that she could legally make, her constitutional right now taken away. And if you thought that there will be exemptions for rape, for incest, well, think again, because in 11 of the 50 states across this land, it doesn't matter if your pregnancy was the consequence of a sexual assault. State laws are set to require that you give birth to that child.
I considered taking my own life at that time. I considered not dealing with it at all, simply because I didn't have the tools to deal with it. I wish they understood the trauma that comes along with being sexually assaulted. I wish they understood how vulnerable you feel and how you feel like you have no decision, no choice in any of the situation.
3 million women in America are known to have experienced rape-related pregnancy in their lifetime. The true figure will, of course, be higher. Many choose not to report such awful experiences. But over many months following this debate, we found the ideology which drives the anti-abortion movement is deep. And if the woman has been raped or a victim of incest?
We should kill the rapist, not the baby. The baby didn't have any part in it.
The fear now is that this will precipitate a public health crisis, with the most vulnerable now the most in need.
I think about how many women we might have to step over on a bathroom floor because they've made the decision to try and terminate their pregnancies themselves, or how many women don't have the means to travel to another state where abortion laws are different in order to have the proper care and the proper treatment for terminating a pregnancy. It's pretty scary.
What do we want? Abortion rights!
Right or wrong, this judgment represents a fundamental shift for women and for choice across this land. Part of America's social fabric has just been unwoven. Mark Stone, Sky News in Kansas City.